Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive TCS dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include Tata Consultancy market summary using stacked column chart and the stacked bar chart, forecasts to display Tata Open Price, Tata Close Price, Tata High Price, Tata Low Price, line chart to display TCS stock by day, TCS stock by quarter, TCS stock by month, TCS stock by year, and navigation button. You can jump into the next page, just table. I use table to display year, quarter, month, day, Tata Open Price, Tata High Price, Tata Close Price, Tata Low Price, and a narration which says at 3,56,257, one had the highest Tata High Price and was 19.20% higher than two which had the lowest Tata High Price at 2,98,875. Tata High Price and Tata Open High Price are positively correlated with each other. One accounted for 27.12% of Tata High Price. Across all 12 days, Tata Open Price ranged from 99,530 to 1,13,448. Tata Close Price ranged from 99,767 to 1,13,522, and Tata High Price ranged from 1,708 to 1,14,534. Tata Open Price and Tata Close Price diverged the most when the year was 2019, when Tata Open Price was 650 higher than Tata Close Price. Now let us come into our home page. You can see Tata High Price, TCS stock by month. You can see the month, the fifth month. And when it comes to quarter or the fourth quarter, Tata High Price, Open Price, Low Price, Close Price, even TCS stock by T. You can see Tata Open Price, Close Price. You can see the changes. Year 2022 Tata Low Price. This is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.